Hello everyone and welcome back to Pabbly. Imagine a new lead is added in your Zoho CRM account. If you're using Zoho CRM in your business, this video is just for all of you guys. The new lead is added and you want to add in the lead details in your Google Sheets. Now every time a new lead is added, tallying the data and adding the same details in Google Sheets to have a systematic record of all your leads in one place can be time consuming. You can enter error data or you can miss out on your leads. Now, I have a solution for all those problems. The setup that you can see on the screen is going to automatically sync your Zoho CRM with Google Sheets so that you will add in your leads details. The leads details will be forwarded directly in your Google Sheets. Let me show you how. So in my Zoho CRM, I'm going to add a new lead and then I will show you how automatically the leads details is created as a record in Google Sheets. Okay, so let me create a lead right here. So I'm going to enter all my leads data now. I've entered the details. Name is test account. This is the company. Email is test@pabblytunes.com. This is the phone number. Lead status is not contacted. Street is 123 New Street, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This is the pin code, country India, and the description is new online store lead. So now I'm going to save this lead in my Zoho CRM account. As now I have saved this lead, now I'm going to go back to my Google Sheets and check whether the data of this lead is added in my Google Sheets or not. So let me open my Google Sheets and you can see right over here the leads data is added successfully in Google Sheets. Name is test account. Email is test@pabblytunes.com with this phone number and the address is 123 New Street. So as now the details is added automatically in Google Sheets, this is how the setup of Zoho CRM and Google Sheets is going to work. Now without wasting any more of our time, let's dive into the creation of this amazing automation. So I create such automations without need of any coding and programming skills through the amazing software that is Pabbly Connect. I've been using this software for years now. You can see I've created 1000+ automations using this software without facing any errors or problems. So you can also use Pabbly Connect to create such amazing problem solving automations for your business. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create the workflow using this software. If you want to access Pabbly Connect, simply open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will come to the landing page where you will find two options: sign in or sign up for free. Now if you're a new user, you do not have an account with us, simply sign up for free from here, using which you will get 100 free tasks every month. Using the 100 tasks, you can create the setup right away, test it out from your end, and if you want to purchase a yearly or lifetime deal after that, you can use the simple gift coupon code for you, that is ANGYT. The code is on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section, using which you will get amazing discounts on the purchase. Okay, so now sign in from here. You will come to the dashboard. Now to create a workflow, go towards this create workflow option and use the option of create using AI. Now using Pabbly Connect, we have introduced this feature and AI will generate your workflows automatically with a simple prompt. So I will select this option. After selecting the option, now I'm going to give the prompt what I want. I want to track Zoho CRM leads to Google Sheets automatically. I will share this prompt towards my AI flow builder. I have to select the events now. In my Zoho CRM trigger, whenever a new lead is created, automatically in my Google Sheets, the row should be added. So this is what I want. I will create and approve and open this workflow from here. Now let's simply build the connection between these applications and Pabbly Connect and your work will be done. For the Zoho CRM step, trigger, go towards this connected option, go towards this add new connection option and click on this connect with Zoho CRM button. You need to provide the domain of your account. For that, my account domain is zoho.in. So I'm going to go back and copy the domain from here and paste it down. From where did I find the domain? It will be in your Zoho CRM URL itself. Okay, it is asking for the access of the account, for which I'm going to click on this accept button, as this is safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now after that, it is asking for the module name. So I want, as soon as a new lead is created in my Zoho CRM account, this trigger should capture the response of that. That is why for the module, I will select over here as leads. Response format as simple, and next you have to click on this save and send test request button. The last lead that was created in your Zoho CRM account will be captured in this trigger right here. So before that, I will create a new lead right here. Okay, so I'm going to enter my new leads details in all the fields. So I've added the details. The name is best lead, ABC company is the company name, title is new lead, email is bestlead@pabblytunes.com with the phone numbers, lead status is not contacted, lead source is online store. You can see the address is 11 Old City, Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. This is the pin code, country India, and the description is new store lead. Okay, so now I will save this lead from here. As soon as I will do that, automatically a lead is going to be created in my Zoho CRM account in the name of best lead. If I'm going to go back to my workflow and click on the save and send test request button, you will see the same lead's response will be captured in this trigger right here. Email is best@pabblytudes.com, bestlead@pabblytudes.com. Company is ABC Company. Address is 11 Old City. This was the pin code. If I'll further scroll down, city is Bhopal, state is Madhya Pradesh, country is India. Over here, if I'll further scroll down, you will see other details. Best lead was the name and all the other things as well. So as now the response has been captured, Zoho CRM is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now Zoho CRM is a pulling based application. Now what is going to happen if you're creating a lead in your Zoho CRM account, the response of the new lead won't be captured instantly in this trigger, because pulling based applications takes some set amount of time and checks for the new data in your application. So over here it says this trigger will check for the new data in 10 minutes. Zoho CRM will be checked in every 10 minutes, and if there is a new leads data, it will be captured in the trigger accordingly. If you want to change this trigger time, right click over here, go towards the set trigger time option and select your trigger time from the drop down accordingly. Okay, now after this, now we are going to set up our Google Sheets step. For that, click right here, click on the connect button. I will add a new connection. For that, click on the sign in with Google button. Now select the account with the help of which you have created your spreadsheet from here, and then it is asking for the permission for the account, for which I'm going to click on this allow button, as this is a safe process and my data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect. Now we have to select the spreadsheet, for which I'm going to select over here as leads data, because this is a spreadsheet that I've created and the sheet is in the name of sheet 1, so I'll select sheet 1. Okay, then what is going to happen, you will see all these fields. These are the headers that you have created. I wanted to keep the record of the leads data like this data only, so I've added these many headers. But if you want to add in other details like the company name, description, lead status and everything, you can select the details accordingly. So now what I'm going to do is, you can see the headers inside Pabbly Connect just like this. For the data of these fields, we'll map the data. Mapping is inserting the data from the previous step. Firstly, it is asking for the first name of my lead, so add a slash where you need to map the data. Search for the first name. Now this is the first name of my lead that I want to create as a record in my Google Sheets, so I will select the date of the first name from my previous response. Let me search again and I will select the data. Now as I've selected this data from my previous response, this data has been mapped, and as I've mapped this data, the data has now become what? Dynamic. That means now whenever a new response is going to be captured in our previous step, that is Zoho CRM step of the lead, automatically the leads data will be updated in place of this mapped data. In the similar manner, I will map the data of the last name, email address and all the other details right here. Okay, so let me enter all the details and let me show you the final result. Okay, so I'm going to add in the entire address right here. So I've entered the entire address. Now I'm going to simply click on the save and send test request button, where I will receive the response like this, and Google Sheets you will see the record of the leads details has been added successfully with the entire address. So as now the details have been added, this means the connection between Zoho CRM and Google Sheets is now completely done. Whenever now in your Zoho CRM the lead will be created, automatically the record of the lead will be added in Google Sheets. If you want a free template of this workflow, check out the workflow link in the description section below. With that, you can check out the code ANGYT to purchase a yearly and lifetime plan, and this code will get you instant discounts on the purchase. With that, if you have questions or doubts related to this workflow or this entire setup, comment down below. I will reply to you as soon as possible. So this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.